Oh my god. I have a white breezy fit.
I have a sticky note.
Okay.
Open and close the magnets for me.
Gladly. Okay. Stick the sticky part of the sticky note to the table and then take it off.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Scratch the mesh.
Okay. Can you crumple up your sticky note into a ball? Okay.
Tap the brim on the table. Actually, tap.
No, you already did it.
No,
you can't
do
change it.
else. They all have brims. That was a stupid one.
You can't change it. Okay. Uncrumple your piece of paper, like really fast. Okay. I don't think that you just have a sticky note.
No? Why?
It sounds better than a sticky note.
I don't have a sticky note.
It is better than a sticky
It
note.
is better. This is so much better than a sticky note.